Hello, everybody. Tune in. I'm just checking to see if everybody's here. I'm waiting on some viewers to come on through. We're live here today. This is Miss Denisha's Top Models Pampered Chef Party.
Yes, baby.
Okay, so what I did, we decided to do like a little cooking demonstration on a few items. We have our favorite cook here, Miss Bonnie Durant. Yes, special guest.
Yes.
Everybody don't get a top shelf at their Pampered Chef Party.
Yes,
But guess what?
yes.
I do. We have our mother's house in her kitchen.
All I'm gonna do is demonstrate the products with the top chef, and she's gonna tell you how basically about everything. Right now, today I'm using what we call the Pampered Chef's cut and close. And basically, when you have like tomatoes, you want to slice your tomatoes in half. You know how you be trying to
Hold it.
Yeah, and you're trying to hold them. And then I've seen people use two tops, two lids to something. Well, this no more. Just make sure your breast is on here, as so. And I have a little arthritis, so sometimes it kind of get the best of me. But
Let's do this, girl. Let's do this.
so you just slide the knife through, a 7-inch knife, and you just slide it through like that. So that was the best I've ever did that. Okay. It give us two.
Wow.
pieces.
Look at that.
Well, three, the extra excess stuff right here. And we're going to place those in a bowl. And that is how it goes right there. This also is one of our metal bowls right here that we use to store our great cooking items in here.
And it's good at the bottom. It has this rubber
Oh, look
and
at
this
you.
rubber plastic thing, and it helps for it won't slide. So
Oh,
it's hard not to slide. So that's what
I
the
guess you might
that's
have that
what,
at home, huh?
no, I just know, yeah.
See, that's what we get. When you get the extra knowledge when you got a top chef
We
on
got
board.
the top chef
Yeah.
in the house.
So
See, that's why she wearing the apron and
Yeah.
I'm not.
So
And girl, you moving that knife around.
yeah,
You see, I don't even do
They
all
shouldn't
that.
have knife
Let me
there.
tell you something. I am a Pampered Chef consultant. I've been a Pampered Chef consultant for about going on 3 years now.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
I have promoted to director, so I didn't wear them today. Usually I have necklaces that say my spoon, which is showing that I've made it to director, and then my circle, which is Tiffany, which is like.
And I'm just thank you, Don. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Bonnie. Thank you, Bonnie.
Attention.
So Bonnie done took the knife from Miss Donna because she was
the chef.
doing too much. And
She's the chef. So.
these are my girls from back in the day. I grew up with these ladies, so these are my aces. Y'all
Okay,
hear
now
us?
look, now here it is. Now, once again, I got in the business only to cop on the skillet. Because in the kit, it had this grill press. Let me show you the double burner grill press.
Okay.
Right here, this is what we're going to cook. Today we're doing fajitas. Bonnie's doing fajitas. And we have, right here we have our little mitts. This is called the double burner grill. Well, the one that I wanted was just one. But when I wanted to get that. See, you just look here, you see that? It's heating up right now, so I use these mitts so I won't burn my hand.
I like that.
Double burner, you
Yes.
can cook two sides. But I just wanted the single one. So I bought the kit. And once I bought the kit, I said, I can make my money back.
Okay.
And then they grabbed, I can make some money to get these other products.
Yeah.
Then I started, my house is so full that Denisha's going to come over and do some shopping in my house. This house full of
Did y'all hear what she's calling Denisha? That's I'm gonna tell y'all. Y'all know I'm at home when my name gets all, from back in the day. Yes.
And I got the nickname too.
You can give it to her.
Ninny Pooh.
That's my
Why I
nickname.
used to her. We way back when.
Yeah.
So now we're all doing stuff, and I appreciate Miss. Let's give a round of applause for Miss Ninny Pooh for
And being the host.